Okay, DreamWorks Lover 7 asks, what would happen if Hiccup and Tough Nut were forced to spend time together?
Even Tough Nut could bite us, honestly.